So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crop a video in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up iMovie. From here you can start a new project and you can crop in that. You can also open up some of the projects you already have. So let's do that, and you will need to click on the edit button. After that you can see the preview of your video at the top part of the screen. Now in order to crop, you will need to go ahead and select a part of the video. And you can see some of the options like split, duplicate, and delete. And you will need to use the option on the zoom in the top right. So you can see and pinch to zoom out. So you can see the picture changes a bit. You can zoom in. And this will be your cropping options on here. So if you wish to crop, you can zoom in on some objects. So on here I have a couple of pigeons trying to pluck away at a bagel, and you can just go ahead and add that. Now it's going to be zoomed in for the entirety of the video, but it's going to be cropped to something that you want to make the focus of your movie and your project. And you can see right now everything else remains the same, but if you click on it again, you can go ahead, click on this magnifying glass, and you can see it right here. It's uncropped, or it's returned to normal. You can cancel that, and now you can get a better preview of how the movie would look like, but cropping is done through the zooming option on here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.